What's up, guys? Anthony with the Real American Outdoors, and today I'm going to go over our hole hopping setup that we use with the Livescope. Here it is. Before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps us out and lets you guys know we do a new video every Tuesday and Saturday. All right, so starting off from the beginning here, the base of this is a Otter sports sled. This is their regular model. It runs about 50 to 60 bucks. You can use whatever sled you want. This is just what we're using. And starting up from the front here, the meat and potatoes, we have our custom DIY Livescope ice shuttle. If you haven't yet, check out our video that we go more in depth on this setup. So this allows us to, when we would obviously have the screen off, and we'd be recording our Livescope up front here with our GoPro Hero 8 and charging by a YOLO-Tech. This YOLO-Tech provides 6 hours of battery life to the GoPro on top of the 2 hours that the GoPro battery has, giving us 8 hours of recording time. And we have to record using this 93 SV because it doesn't have the active captain capability. This setup also allows us to record us. Usually we can mount whatever camera, whether it's the cell phone or a DSLR camera right here to record us. And how we're using to charge, we're using this battery box right here. This is also what we use to power our lights inside of our ice shelter with these two plugs. And this battery box is powered by a Milwaukee M18 battery for our drill, same drill that we use when we're using our ice auger setup. We got two USB connections here, and that will charge our camera the entire time when we're hole hopping here. So this allows us to be recorded. We got our Summit pole here. It's easy enough where we can just pop in whatever hole. We can see really quick if we're on the school or where it's going or what it's doing. So this is our ice hole hopping setup that we've constructed for this year. We might do something a little different for next year, adding some rod holders or an ice auger mount or something. Usually right now we go ahead and we pre-drill a lot of holes, and then we'll hole hop with this and try to get on those fish. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like anything fishing, tractors, auto, 2A, or freedom, check us out at realamericanoutdoors.com. Check us over at Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time.